You are making that one. Open this way naman. Open the gift from my banana. The queen naman. Nonoch! Hi! Ijalay. I think that there's something to open here.
Mobile Legends, c'est nul. A bit movie.
Wow! Queen naman! Lami siya kaayo. Pero palit ko anong be? Slicer.
Put it in the fridge for a while, give it
Okay.
over there.
Slicer na to ni atong Queen naman. Hindi siya eh. May kain ni siya as in. Katatapos lang namin maligo. Mag-asawa.
Wala pa.
Masarap tong kainin. Justin hindi pa naliligo. Okay, I will exit. It's the muir of my bana. The blackberry that he picked from the tree. So you can make gawa siya ng tart na gamit yung blackberry. You want?
If you want, maybe if you really like to, you can eat like that. But if you want, you can put it 5 minutes to warm in the oven also.
No, no, it's okay like this. You want me to put there?
No, it's okay. Nice for you. Tell you, it's really the best way is when it's a bit warm.
Ano yung baby? Naawa pa'y ligo. Ang doon na si Prono kaya akala niya may pagkaing karne. Oh. Pinaman yan eh. Sarap.
You put vanilla also. You have the vanilla. I think I meant vanilla.
Yes, we have. Sarap talaga. Uy naman.
Siyempre.
okra ang duha. I will help you lang. Ay. After I eat, ha?
Tama.
Yeah.
Unsa ba?
Come to eat.
Nice.
Lamig kayo. Yeah. Thank you so much, my love.
Ang kabasa. Okay.
Lamig kayo as in. You want me to help you?
It's up to you. If you prefer, you can prepare the sauce if you want, like that you can film it.
What sauce?
The sauce we will put is like a really quick fish.
That one?
Yeah. In the bowl you put
Well, today we are going to make, what's that?
blackberry.
Blackberry tart. By the use of this one, blackberry that was harvested by my husband. He's the one who cleaned, and I'm the one also who prepared the other things to do. It's the pan to put the dough. And now, I'm going to put the eggs. 4 eggs, huh? It's enough, 4 eggs. 4 eggs for the cream. And this one,
Liquid cream.
liquid cream, eggs, and then sugar.
Yeah, sugar is the other one there.
Flour,
And eventually the
sugar,
milk after it to liquefy and then you
milk, and vanilla.
that's okay.
One half cup yung the one that I put.
Yeah.
Just
Because
to
I-
1/4.
I hesitate-
The sweetness is okay?
Yes, I think want to taste also to tell me that I hesitate to a bit, but for me it's okay.
Yeah, because the blackberry is also sweet eh. So it's okay like that. was preheat already before to put the tart, the dough. Before to put the dough, the oven was in preheat. This one, the tart, blackberry tart, and then this one for aperitif. Bread, and there's cheese inside, different types, different kind of cheese inside para sa aperitif. Aperitif. Punit na mo, punit. Ayaw sa kainit pa. The blackberry tart is done. It's ready to eat. Get a slice and eat, and yum 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 yum. Made from the blackberry, just harvested outside. No need to buy. There is no capital on the blackberry. It's just pick in the outside. Cute.